Hi, this is Dragonheart Gaming, and we are continuing Keys, the mission, which is the 9th mission out of 10. We're actually really, really close to the end of the first one out of 4. I know, it's been taking a long time. I don't think I'm going to get it done over the summer, though. That's what I'm afraid of. That's why I'm doing all these now. Because I know I don't think I can get them done in the summer. Somebody in there. Hey, get down from there. Right now, we're trying to find Captain Keys in the ship, in the little Truth is Reconciliation ship. We're trying to get him his little transponder core thing or whatever that's in his pocket or something, or on his suit. And now, oh crap, no, I can't be out of ammo. How about that gun? What the heck? I can't see anything. That guy's shotgun. What the heck? No. Alright, so we gotta go to turn all the way in the ship. And I know where we're going, and it's gonna lead to another way. Basically, this is like the second mission, or the third mission. It's kinda nighttime. We just need to get that ship.
The crash did more damage than I suspected.
They kind of like flew off of it and then crashed again because of the flood. I know, it's kind of stupid. Like, you think that never happened. Off me. Off me. That was interesting. An idea, don't turn your back on the flood. Ha! He punched his own man. That was good. He punched his own guy. I love when that happens. I'm out of bullets. I only got 41 bullets left. Crap. Grenade. Make it quiet. Another grenade. To kill him. Yeah. And then this gun. To kill him. Hit him with this. Come on. Okay, I need to watch for how I'm shooting these guys. Crap. That guy had bullets. Pretty good. Oh, I can't see a thing. I can't see a thing. I can't see a thing. I'm about to die too. Sorry about my coughing. Kind of got a little bit cold, I guess. Or my throat's sore. Or, yeah. Or my throat's sore. I don't know which one. I know I got something. Just so you guys just stick with me. Don't. If you're bothered by the coughing, I'm sorry. I don't intentionally mean to cough to bother you guys. I know that sounds stupid when I say that. But some people might take it that way. That's why I'm saying that. I'll try my best not to cough. If I have to, I'll try to hold it in for as long as I can. But if I have to cough, I'm going to do it. I'm going to have to do it. So I apologize in the future if I'm coughing. Or if I am in the coffin.
Power's good. It's still operational.
Okay, here
That's
we
our
go.
way back in.
We are in the grab lift area. We're gonna grab some overshields because we're gonna need them against the flood guys. Because you know these guys are crazy. Hey, look at them. They're all crazy people. All these people are all crazy. These people are trying to look at the alien people. They let loose the flood, but yet they're scared of them. What kind of idiot mistake is that? You gotta be cautious, guys. This wouldn't be happening right now. In fact, if I'm lucky you guys actually did this, because if I didn't, I wouldn't be following 343. No, I wouldn't even let 343 get to Spark. I would have got out of here. I would have been able to be free. You guys would have blew up the universe. So I'm thankful that I'm stopping you, but I'm not thankful that you guys brought upon me these guys that I have to clear out all the time. Because these guys are annoying. All the time. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just laughing off. Come on, up. There we go. Ow, ow, ow. Purple.
We should be able to get into the ship's control room from here.
Everything's on fire. They left this place a wreck. Because there's dead bodies, probably from me the last
The
time.
Covenant battle
They didn't clean up.
I can't access the ship's schematics. My records indicate that a shuttle base should be here.
Back? Ooh. Carriers. I don't like that. Nobody likes you. He attempts to open this door. Come back here. You don't dodge my grenade. Fight me. These guys just keep coming. Let me just continue on without these guys, because these guys are gonna start getting annoying. That's my only issue. So many of these
Look,
guys.
in the corner. The flood are gathering bodies.
Look, up top. I'm killing the flood. Here. Ah! They're up here! I didn't know they'd make it up. When they told me to look in the corner, I kind of like peeked over, they saw me. I didn't like peek over the corner, I kind of just like sat there in the corner for like 2 hours. Staring at them. What is this? Oh, crap, they're following me. How the heck did they follow me? Get off me! Get off me! What are they doing? What the heck? No! They're trapping me in a corner? Okay. Oh, that's a, really trapping me in the corner? What kind of move is that? That's stupid. Why would you guys do that to me? It's messed up. You guys are messed up people. Don't do that to people. Crap, I'm about to die again. Stupid little guys. There's so many of these guys. That's why I hate the flood. Look at them. They just come out of nowhere. You should be dead. Oh my god, here comes 4 more guys. Just die already. All of you, die. Oh, and now he jumps down. Of course he jumps down now. Ow. Stop attacking me. All of you. Thanks for your ammo. Come on. Just... Ah. All of you. They keep getting up. And it's annoying because then they keep dropping down. Didn't need to do that. They just keep coming back and back and back and back. It's annoying. Can I drive this ghost? Crap, because I'll shoot down. Don't shoot me with a shotgun. I'll shoot you with a shotgun. Great, here we go. I knew this was going to happen. Bring me back here. off me. All of you, just die. Just die. Just die. Just die. Just die already, all of you. Those little bastards. Ow! Off me! Ah, he's got me trapped in the corner again. What the heck? Well, there is more of you. I knew there was more of you. You couldn't just be one. Had to be 50 guys. Look at them all. There's huddle right there.
Looks like another shuttle bay. We should be able to reach the control room from the 3rd level.
And that's this way, right?
He's delirious. In pain. We have to find him.
Not that way, not that way. What was that? Shoot him? Alright, I'll throw grenades. How about that? No! Boom. I killed them all. Let's go get him. We're gonna go get him. But I kind of missed those guns. I made it through the library. Should be able to make it through this.
Captain, his vitals are fading. Please, Chief, hurry.
I'm trying. Trying as fast as I can, okay? There's flood in the doorway. Wait, is that even what I'm supposed to do? Guys, listen to me. These people are bad. Why don't we help each other kill them? No? Look, I'm trying to kill the Covenant. Blood, how about you help me kill them? Got it? No? Keep your point. Do it myself. I can't even reload my stinking gun. Without there being 50 guys in the way. Ow! He just whipped me around the corner. Okay. Ugh. His vitals are fading fast. What the frick? Captain Keys. That's disgusting looking.
No human life signs detected. The captain, he's one of them. We can't let the flood get off this ring. You know what he'd expect. What do you want us to do? It's done. I have the code. We should go. We need to get back to the pillar of
Back's on the front of this
Go
thing.
back to the shuttle.
Because
bay,
look,
find a
these are
ride.
legs. Claws. What's on the front of this guy? Hey. You. He doesn't have a front. It's all like stomach. He's like the grave mind of this Halo tree. He don't talk like the other one does, but you know he does stuff like that. Oh my god, these stupid little floodgates. Where am I even going? Am I going back? I'm not going anywhere. Remind me something. Well, how come this door opens? It doesn't. This door? What the frick was that?
I need to get back to the Pillar of Autumn. Let's go back to the shuttle bay and find a ride.
Okay, not that way, not that way. That was the wrong idea, wrong idea. Holy explosions, Batman. Look, they brought in all the Spec Ops elites. Halo Reach will tell you who they are. But I already know these guys are Spec Ops elites. Jesus. Holy crap. That was a gigantic explosion. Okay. But they sent in all the Spec Ops guys. Oh crap, this grenade on me. Oh.
We need to get
No!
back to the Pillar of Autumn.
No! I don't want to do all this again.
Ride.
Not all this again. Stupid grenade elites. Stupid grenade on me. Holy crap. Jesus. Look at all of them. Finally. We're nearing the end. Okay, it's this way. Just gotta watch out. Grunt dies right through this door. Doesn't bother you. There's a guy within the door right there, then a guy with that guy. And this is what you gotta worry about. These guys. Don't let them throw a grenade. Don't let them throw a grenade. Shoot you. Okay. Holy crap, you almost died there. Why can't there be a save point now? Oh my god, there's so many explosions, it's ridiculous. Things shouldn't explode as often. Who made this game? Michael Bay? He didn't make this game. So why the heck are there so many explosions?
Perfect. Grab one of the escort badge shields and use it to return to the Pillar of Autumn.
How do I get one of those? Bam. Got that guy. How do I go down and get one of those? Where's that? I missed something? How am I gonna go down there? This way? Go. This way. As long as they're, yep, ramp down. Big one too. They sent in rocket launcher guys and all like the top-notch elites. Dude, they're ready for this mission. They're gonna murder everybody. I'm gonna die again. Stop and reload. Crap. I want enough bullets to get me through this. Use your assault rifle. Reload that though, because you don't want to be out of ammo so fast. Just take the damage. That's it. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Take the damage. Let everybody shoot you. Do anything you just take the damage and go. Go. Had to be on the freaking bottom floor though. Yeah, there we go, health pack. Oh, dude, that looks like it's too much. Not that way. This way. Punch her in close quarters? I don't do that. I just saved your lives. And what do I ever get repaid with? Them shooting at me. I think I picked up shotgun. Yes. Alright, well don't use it. Hey look, a regular. I was wondering when I was seeing those again. All they've been is a spec op elements. They're like special missions and stuff. I guess this is a special mission. Prophet's really wanted to go out and clear this place. I want to clear out all these guys. Just see what happens. Oh crap, I'm about to die though. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. Alright, let's do this. Last mission. Almost there. I might finish this today. Back up. Where am I going? What the heck? I keep running into every wall. There we go. Clear it out. Everybody. Oh crap. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Bye bye. I already made it out. I don't understand how they're still shooting. I already got this guys. And those guys too. He's gonna run right into those bullets. Yes, the mall. This is it, guys. This is the end. This ship certainly has seen better days. In the beginning, it was actually flying.
get to the bridge. From there, we can use the captain's neural implants to initiate an overload of the ship's fusion engines. The explosion could damage enough systems below it to destroy the ring.
Okay, cool. And the flood's on it. Of course they're on it. You'd think they wouldn't get to it. Crap, I was about to say, do I dare even hop down here? The lasers. You're fine. for this gun. I like free hugs from those guys. They're still coming out on this? Hey, get out of the cafeteria. I wonder if that poster's there from the very beginning. Remember we were looking at that poster? Where is it? It's on one of these sides here. Has to be. Remember we went through here. These guys have full rod cannons and stuff. I never noticed these guys had these before. That's what's killing me though. Let's see. Because this is where the cafeteria was. That poster's got to be here in the beginning. About that missing cat though, it's impossible. It's not here, it would be right here though. On this bulletin board. Because remember we come out here and we go through there. Yeah. So basically we're going backwards to the bridge and we're almost there. Wherever. Sorry about that. I still got my cough. I've had it all morning. Shoot, we went this way. This is where the bridge is. There's a guy.
The bridge.
Yeah, the bridge. I was closest to Briggs. No! What are you guys doing? Here we go. See? Remember this is where we got our first gun? You guys remember all this? Huh? You guys remember this? Old memories.
I'll be home for a few days and look what happens. This won't take long. There. That should give us enough time to make it to a lifeboat and put some distance between ourselves and Halo before the detonation.
15 minutes.
I'm afraid that's out of the question, Peter.
Oh, hell.
Ridiculous! That you would view a warship AI with such a wealth of knowledge? Weren't you worried it might be captured or destroyed?
He's in my data arrays, a local tab.
You can't imagine how exciting this is to have a record of all of our long time human history. Fascinating.
This man's really starting to make me mad. He's going through all the consoles and stuff.
Oh, how I will enjoy every moment of its categorization. To think that you destroyed this information as well as this record. I am shocked. Almost too shocked for words.
Please stop the self-destruct sequence.
Why do you continue to fight us, Reclaimer? You cannot win. Give us the constructs, and I will endeavor to make your death relatively painless and
At least I still have control over the comm channels.
where is he?
I'm detecting taps throughout the ship. Sentinels, most likely. As for the monitor, he's in engineering. He must be trying to take the core offline. Even if I could get the countdown restarted, I don't know what to do.
How much firepower would you need to crack one of the engine shields?
Not much. A well-placed grenade, perhaps, but why?
Hey, where'd you get? I'm out of hand grenades.
Okay, I'm coming with you. Chief, Sentinel.
I have a shotgun, not an assault rifle. Wow, the shotgun tears them apart too. Shotgun's the best weapon in the game, I think. Where are we going? We're kind of informing
The
me.
ship was heavily damaged when it crashed. Head to the cryo chamber. You should be able to get to the engine once you're there.
Okay, the cryo chamber. The cryo chamber's where I came from. I'm just looking for weapon or ammo and stuff. Oh god. Go back. Alright guys, I'll pause it. We're almost done. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.